Here's a 5-second test. If your dashboard shows the numbers, but people still ask, so what does this actually mean? Then the issue is not the chart, it's the logic behind it. Most people meet Dax when the report starts embarrassing them. The total looks wrong. The percentage changes when you click a filter. The number looked fine yesterday, but today in the meeting, nobody trusts it. So Dax in one sentence. Dax is the language that tells Power BI how your business wants numbers to behave, not just what to add up, what to compare, what to ignore, what actually matters. And that gives you an outcome. Trusted decision. But 3 things usually blocks that. Using raw columns like they are answers, confusing totals with context, and building visuals before building logic. And there's one owner, the person who understands the business question. Let me give you an example of a retail team looking at sales. Without Dax, you can say we have 42 million. Fine. With Dax, you can ask better questions. How much is up versus last month? Which region is carrying the numbers? What happened after discount? What is margin quietly dropping? Same data, very different intelligence. That's why 2 analysts can use the same data set and produce 2 different results. One dashboard reports activity, the other reveals control. The difference is not design tastes, it's measure logic. So, before you add another chart, ask yourself, what decision should this measure make earlier? DM Dax and I'll send you the 1-line framework for explaining it to any team. Don't build prettier dashboards. Build smarter thinking. Think training? Think Jake Michaels. Think training impact? Think Jake Michaels. See you in class for our next Power BI training.